Hi, this is Mr. Capert. This video I'm going to show you how to create a simple keychain. First off, I'm going to show you how to do the base of your keychain. You're welcome to use whatever shape you'd like, but this is for those of you that need extra practice or are having a difficult time coming up with ideas. So File, New, Part, do 2D sketch, choose a plane, and then use the rectangle tool. I made mine 2.25. If you hit the tab key, it'll go to the other dimension. And I made this 1. So you have the outline. Now, next step is I rounded the corners. You'll see there's a fillet button that does this. You need to give it a number that you want to round it, the radius that you want to round, which I used 1/4 of an inch, which is 0.25, and then you touch on the two lines where they meet here. You do that line, and it rounds it where they meet. Okay, hit the enter button, or just get out of there, I guess. Next, you need a hole. See how it kind of snaps to the center there? You don't want it snapping to this stuff. That's not good. So then you want this to be 3/16. Dimension it from this end. It's going to be 5/8 of an inch. And, oh, my bad. Double click on that, 5/16. And let's see if I think it already snapped to the middle, but yep, it did. So that is all good. So we got the base, fairly good shape here. Now you can put other shapes in here to cut out. I haven't showed you guys this before, but notice there's other shapes you can do, like slot, polygon. If you choose this one, you can do a polygon with whatever sides that you want. Well, notice it says 120 max. That's a lot. So you can do different shapes. I think if you looked around, you could even find things like a heart, for instance. I've never done that, but I think that might be in there. So you're going to finish your sketch and then make it 3D by using extrude. Choose the shape, and I did 1/8. And then you'll want to color it in using this wheel here. Select over the whole thing and then give it its color. Make sure you're saving your work onto your H drive. I would create a new folder called Keychain, and I would call this do something like that. Make sure your name's on there, the name of the project, and then what the part is. All right, hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any additional questions.